In a world obsessed with bigger, faster, stronger, we're constantly bombarded with messages about pushing our limits. But what if I told you there's a gentler way? A way to improve your health and well-being without the pounding, the strain, the sheer exhaustion. The human body is remarkably adaptable, but it also craves balance. It's about rediscovering the simple joy of movement, the feeling of the wind in your hair and the sun on your face. Slow jogging, a revolutionary yet surprisingly simple approach to fitness. Forget everything you think you know about running. This isn't about speed, endurance, or pushing your limits. Slow jogging is about finding a comfortable, sustainable pace that you can maintain for an extended period. Imagine yourself gliding through a park, the gentle rhythm of your feet striking the ground in sync with your breath. This gentle form of exercise offers a plethora of physical and mental benefits. And because it's low impact, slow jogging is accessible to people of all ages and fitness levels. What started as a quiet movement in Japan has now become a global phenomenon. From bustling cities to tranquil countryside paths, people of all ages and backgrounds are lacing up their shoes and discovering the joy of this gentle yet effective form of exercise. Slow jogging can be easily incorporated into our busy lives, whether it's a quick jog during your lunch break or a leisurely run around the park with friends. In a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming, slow jogging offers a much-needed respite. It's about finding sustainable ways to move our bodies, improve our health, and enhance our overall well-being. Our story begins, as many great stories do, in the land of the rising sun. It was here, amidst the bustling streets and serene temples of Japan, that a revolutionary approach to running was born: slow jogging. The man behind this movement, a renowned sports scientist with a passion for helping people live healthier, happier lives. He believed in a more balanced approach, one that respected the body's natural rhythms and limits, and so slow jogging was born, a gentle, mindful approach to running that prioritized consistency, enjoyment, and long-term health. But slow jogging wasn't just a whimsical idea, it was rooted in sound scientific principles. Extensive research on the biomechanics of running was conducted, and it was found that slow jogging significantly reduced the impact on joints compared to traditional running. Furthermore, slow jogging proved to be highly effective at improving cardiovascular health. While high-intensity exercise might seem like the key to weight loss, research shows that slow jogging can be just as effective, if not more so, in the long run. The science behind slow jogging is fascinating, but it's the practical application that truly sets it apart. Slow jogging isn't just about moving your body, it's about tapping into your primal instincts, awakening the natural runner that lies dormant within us all. Thousands of years ago, our ancestors didn't rely on cars, trains, or buses to get around. Slow jogging challenges this notion, reminding us that running can be a joyful, sustainable, and deeply rewarding experience. Slow jogging isn't just about moving your body, it's about building a symphony of strength from the inside out. It's about engaging muscles you never knew you had, strengthening tendons and ligaments, and increasing bone density, all without the jarring impact of high-impact exercise. This gentle form of exercise strengthens the heart, the lungs, the circulatory system, making everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. It's about building a foundation for a life lived in motion, free from the limitations of aches, pains, and stiffness. It's about feeling the wind at your back, not as resistance, but as a force that propels you forward. But the benefits of slow jogging extend far beyond the physical. This gentle form of exercise is as much a mental workout as it is a physical one. As you settle into the rhythm of your stride, the worries of the day melt away, replaced by a sense of peace, clarity, and focus. The repetitive motion becomes almost meditative, allowing you to quiet the incessant chatter of the mind and reconnect with the present moment. It's about rediscovering the joy of simple pleasures, the beauty of the everyday, and the profound sense of peace that comes from connecting with both your inner and outer worlds. The transformative power of slow jogging extends far beyond the individual, fostering a sense of community and connection. Unlike the solitary pursuit of many forms of exercise, slow jogging lends itself naturally to social interaction. Whether you join a local running club, find a jogging buddy, or simply strike up conversations with fellow joggers along your route, you'll discover a welcoming and supportive community. This sense of belonging, of being part of something larger than yourself, enhances the overall experience, boosting motivation, providing accountability, and making the journey all the more enjoyable. Slow jogging, with its minimal environmental impact, offers a refreshing alternative to gas-guzzling cars and crowded public transport. Now, you might be thinking, slow jogging? How hard can it be? You just jog slowly, right? Well, there's a bit more to it than meets the eye. I know that you find this video informative so far, and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational, so go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy, and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Just like any form of exercise, proper technique is crucial in slow jogging, not just to maximize its benefits, but also to prevent injury and ensure a comfortable, enjoyable experience. One of the most common mistakes beginners make is overstriding, landing on their heels with a heavy thud that sends shockwaves up their legs. Instead, focus on landing lightly on the midfoot, allowing the foot to roll naturally through to the toes. Remember, slow jogging is about moving with grace and ease, not tension and strain. Now let's explore the Niko technique. The godfather of slow jogging developed a simple yet ingenious method for mastering proper technique, the Niko technique. The idea is to jog at a pace that allows you to comfortably maintain a smile on your face. If you find yourself grimacing, gasping for air, or feeling any discomfort, you're going too fast. This deceptively simple technique serves as a built-in feedback mechanism, ensuring that you're always running within your aerobic zone. Mastering the art of slow jogging is a journey, not a destination. It's about listening to your body, paying attention to its subtle cues, and adjusting your pace and technique accordingly. The beauty of slow jogging is its adaptability. It's about finding joy in the simple act of moving your body, connecting with your breath, and experiencing the world at a slower, more mindful pace. In a world obsessed with quick fixes, weight loss often resembles a frantic dance, restrictive diets, punishing workouts, and fleeting results. We're bombarded with promises of overnight transformations and miracle pills. But what if there's a gentler, more sustainable way? A way that doesn't involve deprivation or exhaustion. Sustainable weight loss is about gradual, long-term lifestyle changes. It's about finding enjoyable exercise that becomes part of your routine. Slow jogging is a gentle yet effective way to shed pounds and boost health. It allows extended movement without stressing your body. Burn more calories at a lower intensity. It's about finding your rhythm and enjoying the journey. Now, you might be wondering how a seemingly leisurely activity like slow jogging can compete with the calorie-torching intensity of a HIIT workout or a spin class. Well, the key lies in understanding the different energy systems our bodies utilize during exercise. High-intensity workouts primarily tap into our carbohydrate stores for fuel, providing a quick burst of energy that's unsustainable for long durations. Slow jogging, on the other hand, operates in the fat-burning zone, that sweet spot where your body primarily utilizes stored fat for fuel. While you may not feel like you're working as hard, you're actually tapping into a more sustainable energy source, one that can lead to significant weight loss over time. It's like switching from a gas-guzzling sports car to a fuel-efficient hybrid. You're in it for the long haul. But the fat-burning benefits of slow jogging extend far beyond the actual workout itself. Studies have shown that moderate intensity exercise like slow jogging can elevate your metabolism for hours after you've finished exercising, meaning you continue to burn calories even while at rest. It's like stoking your internal furnace, keeping it burning brighter and longer even after you've put the logs down. The beauty of slow jogging for weight loss lies in its effectiveness and sustainability. It's low impact and enjoyable, making it a lifelong habit. Each jog inspires the next, fueling motivation and commitment. Slow jogging works in harmony with balanced nutrition. It's about finding a sustainable balance that nourishes body and soul. Sustainable weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Gradual, consistent changes lead to significant results over time. Now, let's lace up those shoes and embark on this transformative journey together. I know starting something new can be daunting, especially when it comes to exercise. But trust me, slow jogging is as beginner-friendly as it gets. There's no need for fancy equipment, expensive gym memberships, or any prior running experience. All you need is a good pair of shoes, a dash of determination, and an open mind. The first step, quite literally, is finding a suitable place to jog. Don't overthink it. Your local park, a quiet neighborhood street, even a treadmill at the gym will do just fine. The key is to choose a location that's accessible, enjoyable, and free from distractions. Remember, slow jogging is as much about connecting with your surroundings as it is about moving your body. Before you set off, take a few minutes to gently warm up your muscles. Some light stretches, arm circles, and leg swings will do the trick. The goal is to increase blood flow to your muscles, prepare them for activity, and reduce the risk of injury. And remember, slow jogging is all about listening to your body. So if you feel any twinges or discomfort, stop and reassess. Now, here comes the fun part, the actual jogging. But hold on, before you take off like a greyhound released from the traps, remember the golden rule of slow jogging: start slow and gradually increase your distance and intensity over time. Don't try to do too much too soon. Your body needs time to adapt to this new activity, and pushing yourself too hard can lead to injury and burnout. A good rule of thumb for beginners is to start with a combination of walking and slow jogging intervals. Begin with a few minutes of brisk walking to warm up your muscles, then alternate between short bursts of slow jogging and walking recovery periods. As you feel your fitness improving, you can gradually increase the duration of your jogging intervals and decrease the walking breaks. But remember, this isn't a race. There's no pressure to keep up with anyone else or to achieve a certain pace or distance. The key is to listen to your body, to find a rhythm that feels comfortable and sustainable, and to enjoy the process. If you find yourself gasping for air, slow down or take a walking break. If you feel any pain, stop and rest. As the ancient proverb goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And so it is with slow jogging. It's about taking that first step, then another and another. Embrace the journey, not the destination. Let the rhythm of your stride carry you forward. Witness the transformative power of consistent, gentle movement. Slow jogging is accessible to everyone. It's a celebration of the human body's ability to move and adapt. Experience the world at a slower, more mindful pace. Every step you take is a testament to your commitment to a healthier, happier you. So, I invite you to lace up your shoes, step outside and embrace the transformative power of slow jogging. Run your own race at your own pace and discover the myriad benefits that await you. Let the rhythm of your stride guide you, let the fresh air fill your lungs, and let the joy of movement wash over you. Remember, you don't have to be fast, you don't have to be fancy, you just have to start. Find your tribe, connect with fellow slow joggers, celebrate your victories, big and small, and remember that every step you take is a step in the right direction. Embrace the journey, savor the experience, the path to a healthier, happier you awaits. Take that first step today and let the journey begin. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video, but until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Also stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.